We are back doing the Big Cat series, how-to tutorials. I'm trying my best to go through all the different species in the Name That Big Cat Sound video from the Big Cat Rescue website and teaching you how to recreate them. So now we're going to do the lynx. I'm going to just mesh the Canadian and the Siberian lynx together. The first one is Siberian lynx. It's not unlike the usual cat sound. Ow! It's just deeper. Oh! It's deeper and a little more hoarse. So this actually sounds like it's not even getting into the nasal cavity. You just tightened your throat. And it's still staying in the throat. So it's oh! Oh! It's not ow! So this is nasal. Ow! And this is throat. Oh! So, in this case, yes, we can make the sound with our mouth closed, but to make it more lynx sound, we're going to have our mouth open to give it more of an echo. Oh! Got ahead of myself again. I'm sorry. It's a little hard to remember what is intuitive for me is not intuitive for everyone else. How to make the nasal sound. You start with a hum. Hmm. That's with your mouth, that's with your tongue relaxed. Hmm. And you can kind of feel your lips vibrating from it and what have you. Now you're going to tighten your throat a little when you make it. Hmm. So it's a little back here. And you're going to push your tongue to the bridge of your mouth, to the top of your mouth. To create higher. The important thing I'm trying to tell you is that you're not wanting the note to come out the mouth. The note stays in the back of the throat and into the nasal cavity. The echoing in your mouth is more about releasing the air. I opened my mouth and then closed it to get that ow, 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 ow. Sorry. For Apollo, he's not really flexing anything. He's just letting out a hoarse oh. Right, Apollo? That's what you're doing? Yeah. Oh. 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 He's very relaxed. Whereas a cat is very tight and nervous and ow. Oh. Ow. Oh. Gotcha? Alright, what's the other thing they had the lynx do? There you are. Okay, so now we're watching the Canadian lynx's call. Mouth or nose? It's a nose sound. So let's start with our mouth closed. And I want you to go, but in high of a note as you can. That's it. We've done it. We've done the cat sound. Okay, fine. Open your mouth and let it echo out. So that was the lynx in this video. We're moving on to the next. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment for any trouble you had, and I will try to address it as soon as possible. So as always, do come back.